of waking up feeling so run down. I hate the clue I needed only just come now. I'm tired of hoping shit'll work out somehow. I don't like battling, I'm a peaceful guy. I'm tired of lying in dirt trying to reach the sky. I seem to dream daily, I got enough gas, but the dream need to pay me, it's leaving me crazy. Tired of bagging silver to buy some white bread. I made a sick rap, but now the mic dead. I'm tired of being hated by stupid cunts that claim they're Scarface cause they used it once. I'm tired of being too tired to fight with addiction. I'm tired of knowing the truth despite the conviction. I'm tired of not choking the priest the kid touches. I'm tired of the loopholes that allow this injustice. I'm tired of the politics, I believe in the value, but there isn't a lie the politicians won't tell you. I'm tired of the progress we claim to have made when it's obvious as fuck that we stay in the same. I'm tired of scraping, living week to week. I wanna rap from the west to the eastern peaks. I got answers that through growth I'm knowing, but no one will listen, so they're overflowing. I'm tired of good friends consumed by the drug trade. Too many homes broken by a debt some thug made. No one seems to get it, and those that are close seem to be the ones out back, choked from the road. I'm tired of false idols and believing the hype. The result is more important than the meaning of life. So if I had $1 million, I'd turn it into 2 and help my loved ones with what they go through. If I had half a brain, I'd learn to use the virtue of patience when you burn the fuse. If I had one wish, I'd pray to be true. I'd do what I say rather than say what I do.